Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Infiniti's upcoming release, the 2026 QX65 crossover coupe. This new model is set to shake up the luxury SUV segment by replacing the underperforming QX55. And trust me, there's a lot to get excited about. Imagine a crossover with a sportier vibe, a design that turns heads, and a performance punch that keeps the thrills alive. The QX65 is expected to launch later this year as a 2026 model, and is designed to stand apart from the current QX60. With its sleek, coupe-like roofline and distinctive styling, it promises to be a fresh, modern alternative for those who crave something different from the usual crossover lineup. The first thing you'll notice about the QX65 is its bold design. Recent renderings show off split headlights reminiscent of those on the larger QX80, with narrow LED daytime running lights that accentuate the base of the hood. Premium feel to the front end. The smooth flowing curves along the sides, along with those striking triangular rear side windows, really set this model apart. And don't even get me started on the rear design of spoiler extending from the roof, intricate LED taillights, and a stylish light bar complete the look. Under the hood, the QX65 is expected to be powered exclusively by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, generating around 268 horsepower and 286 pounds-feet of torque. This engine will likely be paired with a smooth 9-speed automatic transmission available in either front-wheel drive or an all-wheel drive option for those who love extra grip on twisty roads. It's a performance setup that aims to bring a new level of excitement to Infiniti's lineup. Inside, while we haven't seen the full prototype yet, there are hints that the cabin will feature a modern, tech-forward design. Think dual 12.3-inch screen zone dedicated to your digital instrument cluster and another serving as the upgraded infotainment system. This setup should deliver both style and functionality in a sophisticated package. Infiniti is clearly looking to turn their fortunes around with the QX65, especially after recent sales challenges. If this new crossover can deliver on its promise, it might just be the game changer that helps the brand reconnect with its audience and drive those sales figures back up. Stay tuned for more updates as we keep an eye on this exciting launch. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for the latest in automotive news.